Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org, and today we're talking about sinks and toilets made in the USA. So I'm going through a bunch of house renovations right now, and the current area that I'm focusing on is my bathroom. And with that comes updating a lot of stuff in there, like sinks, toilets, tile, and everything else. So I've been doing a ton of research on sinks and toilets and which ones are made in the US and which are not. So that's what we're covering in today's video. I want to give you all some great American assembled brands that are using some domestically sourced materials as well as some globally sourced components. It's really actually tough to find a lot of brands that are making sinks and toilets that are 100% made and sourced in the US, but there are still a couple of those companies, which I'll make sure to call out in everything that we're covering. But just know that when you're doing your shopping for these things, we're really looking for stuff that's American assembled with some US sourced components. Now, of course, done a bunch of written research on these topics, so links to all of that on allamerican.org in the description below, as well as a lot of other links to other useful resources for doing your American-made shopping. So we're going to dive right into these great American-made sinks and toilets. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions about these brands, your research, or you want to give a shout out to any brands that I missed. So starting off with sinks, first up is Kohler. Kohler's based in Kohler, Wisconsin, and is a pretty popular brand name in the world of sinks and toilets. They have a lot of enameled cast iron sinks that are made in Kohler, Wisconsin at their facility. However, not all of their products are assembled in the US. Now, their website is not super useful for finding out the country of origin information for each of their product models. So there are actually some other good resources that you can use to assist you in that research process. The resource that I've been using the most is build.com, which is a website, a marketplace built by a company called Ferguson, which is big in the home renovation space, that has a ton of different brands to choose from. And they also have a really useful feature to filter to stuff that's made in the US. So I'll put a link to that in the description below, but you can just go to their website, use the Made in the USA filter, and then filter to the stuff that Kohler makes, and you can easily find all of the sinks that are assembled in the US. Now, Kohler's obviously good for those enameled cast iron sinks, kind of that classic look. If you're looking for more of a stainless steel sink, particularly for a kitchen renovation, there's a few other good brands to check out, and the first is Moen. Moen's based in North Olmsted, Ohio, and has a lot of different configurations for these stainless steel sinks. So if you need something for your kitchen, they're a really good option. And then Haven's Luxury Metals is another really good option for stainless steel sinks. Now, like I mentioned previously, they use some global components, so just keep that in mind when you're shopping and looking at Haven's Luxury Metals or some of these other sink manufacturers. Not only do they make stainless steel sinks, they also make some pretty cool copper sinks too. So if you're into that material, that can be a really good option as well. Next up is Rachel's Custom Sinks. These guys are based in Florida and basically do everything custom and made to order. They've been in business since 1999 and have a really good track record. So if you need something that's completely custom for your kitchen or other parts of your home, these guys are a great option. They're going to start with a design consultation, meet with you about your floor plans, your vision for what your sink looks like and how it kind of fits into your overall home, kitchen, or bathroom design. And then you're going to go from there and make a really cool custom piece that's going to fit perfectly in your home. Next up is Concreti Designs. These guys are based in Las Vegas, Nevada, and if you need a concrete sink, Concreti is a good option. Their unique concrete blend is locally sourced from a lot of quarries around the Nevada area as well as elsewhere in the US. Now, they're mostly focused on bathroom sinks, but if you need a different application, like you really want a concrete kitchen sink or somewhere else in the house, I'm sure they would be happy to work with you on the application that works best for your home. And the last one I'll mention in sinks is Swans. These guys are based in St. Louis, Missouri, and make a wide variety of sinks. So if you need something for your bathroom, utility sink, or kitchen sink, these guys have a lot of different options. Just keep in mind that they do use some globally sourced materials, like, again, a lot of the other brands that I mentioned in this video. All right, let's move on to toilets. And first up in toilets is, again, Kohler. Not too many different notes from their sink manufacturing. They have some American assembled toilets, again, with some domestically sourced components as well as some imported ones. So make sure to use build.com and their Made in the USA filter to find all of the Kohler toilets that are actually assembled in the US, because again, their website is not very helpful for finding that country of origin information. Kohler's actually the brand that I'm going with for my bathroom renovation, so I actually just picked up 2 of their American assembled toilets to go with all of the other things that I'm updating in my bathrooms. All right, next one is Toto. So these guys are unfortunately a Japanese-owned company, but they do have their US headquarters in Morrow, Georgia, and assemble a lot of their toilets right here in the US. They're mostly known for their high-tech toilets, but they have a lot of different options for pretty much everybody. So definitely check out their inventory on build.com, that Ferguson website, and use that Made in the USA filter, because similar to Kohler, their website is, again, not that helpful for finding country of origin information. And the last toilet brand that I'll mention is Nature's Head. So these guys are based in Findlay, Ohio, and much like their company name suggests, they make self-containing composting toilets. So these are for applications where electricity or plumbing is kind of limited. So think things like tiny homes, RVs, survival shelters, and things like that. But this is a really good brand if you're looking for something like that. They do a ton of their manufacturing in Ohio and Pennsylvania and source most of their raw materials from US suppliers as well. Alrighty y'all, that's it for this one. Hopefully this has been useful for you if you're updating your sinks and toilets like I am and looking for some good American-made options. Once again, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if I missed anything. And as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American-made. See y'all next time.